What's the meaning of bar billiards? Bar billiards. Bar billiards.
Bar billiards. Bar billiards. Bar billiards is a tabletop game that originated in the United Kingdom. It is played with a cue and 9 balls, 1 red and 8 white, on a specially designed table with 6 recessed cups or pockets. The objective of the game is to score points by sinking white balls into the pockets, while avoiding the red ball and any other balls already in the cups. It requires skill and precision to control the speed and direction of the balls while navigating around the obstacles on the table. Bar billiards has a long history of popularity in pubs and bars throughout the UK, where it provides a fun and challenging form of entertainment for players and spectators alike.